Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we got an issue with this guy right here. The problem we are having is we have a running light. Hold on, running lights. Okay. We have a running light, but we have no brake light or flasher on the left-hand side. And the customer said that it's not a bulb. So typically you can't really listen to the customer when they're telling you what's wrong with their truck. If that was the case, I wouldn't be in business. You know, we have to check it out, and despite what people read on the internet, you know, they may be wrong. But in this case, I'm gonna go with what the customer's saying, just because of all the lighting problems we've had with these guys. This is a module. This is the BCM, and this is what controls pretty much all the electronics and lighting and functionality inside the vehicle. So today I just wanted to illustrate some of the diag that I went through in order to figure out what was going on with this truck. So I have the 2012 F Super Duty wiring diagram table of contents pulled up, and I'm going to go to cell 91 where the turn signal stop hazard lamps. So this is pretty much like the controlling circuits. Gonna get down to the lights. Here's the BCM. Got a trailer brake control. It's gonna go to the PCM, brake pedal position switch. All these things are gonna be utilized. Next page. Okay, now we got park turn lamp left front. Okay, we've got to keep going because we're working on the back. Okay, wide frame without pickup bed. This is a narrow frame. Wide frame without pickup bed. So what we're going to need to do now is we're going to locate, here's rear left lamp, and this is the circuit that's going to the BCM right here, the gray with green. Let's just see what the right side is so we can compare and contrast. This is going to the right side. Let me go to the next page so you guys can see. Right lamp, rear. This is the feed circuit for the bulb. Sorry about this focusing, but we're looking at the violet with orange. So I want to show you guys what I found. If you ever have a lighting concern in the rear, this is what you would be expected to do. Okay, right now I got the flashers on, so I don't have to sit here with the key on and listen to some chiming here. But if you guys remember in my other video, when I was doing the BCM installation on that hit tow truck, this is the same area, and underneath the BCM is a loom that's kind of tucked up like this, kind of like that, and the harness that goes to is this big bulk connector right here, this one. So this harness is coming out of this connector, and this is what's feeding our lights, and it's come down here, and I'm like, well, this is a little more accessible here than, you know, back probing that connector. So if you guys can see here, I've already went and tapped into electrically the gray with orange wire and the right side violet with the orange, and all I have is my non-powered incandescent test light hooked to a ground right here, and the hazards are on, so the brake light filament and turn signal filament, which is the same, should be lighting up. Okay, that's the right side. I'm on the yellow, my yellow probe. Okay, so here is the green one. This is hooked to our left side, and look, we got nothing. So right now, nothing is coming out of the BCM on this pin that is coming out of this connector. So something internally in this thing is obviously went kaput. So 1 second. So our new BCM, which is, bam, the bolt connector is actually right here. I'm not sure which one it is, but one of these pins on the other side of this in the circuit board has failed. Well, this one hasn't been dropped, so this one is going to be good to go. And for all those who may want to know what their keyless entry code is, your keyless entry code is going to be on the black cover that covers the fuses, and it's just in a little plastic bag. This vehicle doesn't have keyless entry, but if I were to program this BCM into a vehicle that has keyless entry, or sorry, the keypad on the side of the door, this is going to be your new button code, which you can change. So, alright guys, tell me what you think about this in the comment section below. This is another BCM, lighting concern, left turn signal, brake light, inop, and as always, thanks for watching, you guys.